How to stop your windows from fogging up on JaeCoo car, so how to use automatic defogging sensitivity. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to use the AC button, this fan button at the bottom of the screen. Then let's find here the settings, let's just tap it. And as you can see here, you've got the automatic defogging sensitivity. So this system uses an internal humidity sensor located near the rear view mirror to detect moisture buildup on the windshield. When set up to low, medium, high, the car will automatically turn on the AC compressor and direct airflow to the glass the moment it senses fog starting to form. Setting to a higher sensitivity makes the system react much sooner to clear your vision. If you would like to, you can also disable the automatic defogging, but I recommend to use it even on the high level. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.